What's up, everybody? Welcome to this King Ice Instructional. I'm Yanira, and today we're talking about how to open clasps on your King Ice chain so we can always stay dripping and looking icy. As you should know, there are a lot of different types of chains that King Ice to floss with, and that means a lot of different types of ways to open and close them so they stay secure around your neck. Each type of chain has a different type of clasp. The box clasp with double safety is one we see all the time. To open it, you unlock the clasp and you slide the ends out from one to another. To close it, you slide the ends in the same way you slide into a DM. Not my DM, because I'm going to reject you and press decline. Just slide in it and push the clasp into place. Make sure it's in a place, though. The spring ring clasp is one of the most basic of all clasps. It's also tricky sometimes, because if you got big hands, I got small hands or whatever, the thing is small. Next, the lobster clasp. Funny name for a great clasp. I know. You're thinking, who names these? But for a silly name, it works great, and it's actually a great name. If you look at it, you can see why it's called a lobster clasp, because it looks like an actual lobster claw. Point is, you pull back the lever, and done. No butter necessary. Next, the fold-over box clasp is a great clasp because it's easy enough to close but complex enough to stay closed. The same way it sounds complex, but it's actually very easy and self-explanatory. You put your one box in, you take your one box out, you put your one back through, and you clasp it all about. Seriously, not, but it's that easy. Next, the push button clasp is like a push to start car. It's fancy and foreign, and it goes 0 to 100 real quick. There are two ends. You insert one into the other, and you will feel it snap into place. In order to unlock, you push a noticeable protruding part down and slide out. Next, the icy butterfly box clasp is a butterfly box clasp, but it's icy all over, even the clasp. In this case, not only do you slide one into the other, but you also lock it secure with the butterfly wings on each side. Make sure the ends are slid all the way into one another and the butterfly wings are secure in place. You should feel like a little click. Next, the double safety lock clasp is in a football play on Madden. It's a thorough clasp that keeps your chain on right. Two ends, but one slides into the other. But in this case, it just pops into position. It's not hard, you just have to go over and under, the fold over the lock until it snaps. Done. That is all for King Ice Clasp. So many clasps, so little time. For more information, just click the link below. This has been the King Ice Instructional for Clasps. I'm Yanira. For all your icy needs, just go to kingice.com. You're welcome. You're all welcome.